to Money Explained Simple, the place where we talk about money.
Here we go.
Your financial education starts now. Imagine two people. They both earn exactly the same salary. "20 years later. One is financially free. The other is still living paycheck to paycheck. How is that possible? The answer isn't luck. It isn't talent. And it definitely isn't working harder. It's a formula. A simple formula that almost nobody teaches. Today, we're going to break it down Most people believe income creates wealth. It doesn't. Income creates opportunity. What you do after receiving your paycheck determines your financial future. Two people can earn $5,000 every month. One spends nearly everything. The other invests part of it consistently. At first, their lives look identical. Years later, they're living completely different lives. Because wealth is built after payday, not before. People often look for the perfect investment. The perfect stock. The perfect business. But history shows something different. Consistency usually beats perfection. Small investments made regularly over many years can grow significantly because of compounding. The hardest part isn't finding opportunities. It's staying consistent long enough to benefit from them. Building building wealth is boring. That's the secret nobody wants to hear. There's no daily excitement. No instant rewards. People quit because progress feels invisible. But invisible progress eventually becomes visible success. The people who stay patient often benefit the most. Increase your skills. Increase your income. Spend less than you earn. Own productive assets. Repeat. That's it. No magic. No secret billionaire club. Just disciplined decisions repeated over time. Money doesn't reward intelligence alone. It rewards consistency. If you improve just one financial habit after today's video, your future self will thank you. Subscribe to Money Explained Simple. Because building wealth is complicated enough. Understanding it shouldn't be. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Money Explained Simple. See you in the next video.